Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you want to play some Xbox games, well, there seems to be a issue with a lot of people and the Xbox app for, of course, Windows, but also on Xbox. You are unable to either log in or play any games. It's a very big issue because it seems to be affecting players worldwide. Whether your games are online, your games are on the PC, the fact that it just can't identify itself makes your games unable to start. Here you see I've just started the Xbox app on that machine here, and it does say that Xbox services are having issues. You may not be able to sign into your Xbox profile, might be disconnected, and so on. It's been going on for at least 3 hours now, and I tried to play a game on my main gaming PC, and it refused a connection, actually. So I was not even able to play anything. It's just there. So I'm going to try later on because I got some new games I want to try to play that I've installed, actually. But for now, it is not working very well. So Microsoft's working on the issue. They say that slowly they will be fixing that. Gradually things are going to come back to normal. But for now, there is a worldwide outage that could impact some of you with your games, with some of the games that you see here. It stays gray on the left side for most recent. So really, definitely something is happening. So be patient. Microsoft's working on the problem. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe.